Hey, what's up? Got an unboxing today of a Rockville K9 V2. I just got it today in the mail, and I figured I'd unbox it. I partially opened it, just so it'd be easier. I haven't took the sub out yet. We got, first of all, a sticker, Rockville sticker, warranty card, some Rockville specs, how to configure the wiring for the ohm load that you want. Alright, let me see how I can get this sub out. We can tip it over maybe. It packs pretty well. A couple different layers. Nice styrofoam. Wow, it's pretty heavy. I've never had a Rockville sub. Wow. Okay, first impressions are this thing's a beast. Pretty big magnet by the looks. Plastic off. Nice and stiff. Put it down here. Nice foam surround. Nice tool rubber gasket here with the Rockville logo on it. So like a textured cone. Pulpy kind of textured. Dual stitched around. Huge magnet. 1-inch slugs, dual. Smallish push terminals. I wish they had a little bigger push terminals. Too shabby. I'll bring the camera up closer here so you can see it better. There's a Rockville logo. Very stiff. There's the big magnet. Thing's beefy. Right there. It's got the voice coil gap venting at the back. It's got plenty of venting all the way around the basket. Spider landing underneath. There's some of the coils, kind of hard to see. My lighting's not the best in here. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Reference to my hand, the magnet. This thing's beastly for $114. So yeah, thought you might want to check it out. Some specs right here. I got the dual 2, so I can put some more power on it. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Have a good day.